Hello, my beloved loves. Hello, my sweetheart. Please subscribe to my channel. It means everything to me and I appreciate it. So, guys, the legendary late Sfiso Ncwane has a daughter with the famous Nonku. If you don't know what that means, guys, you need to watch The Housewives of Durban because you will know Nonku Williams, and he had this little girl out of wedlock, and she did not get to know him before he passed. Now, this girl sounds and looks just like her dad. So, we've never heard her sing, but her mother just posted a video of her singing, and oh my, oh my, oh my, she sounds just like her dad. I wonder how Ayanda feels when she sees that. But here's it. Take a look.
I like to blame it all